What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Nolan, for those of you who are new, which probably all of you guys will be. Today, I'm going to be working on my Miata 92 with a 90 engine in it. Didn't put it there, someone else did. And today what I'm doing is I am installing this very well water gauge, temp gauge, because that one is a piece of crap, doesn't work. So far what I've done with that is pull it out the vent, which you guys will do with a hanger and just grab it and pull. Then I took everything, ran it into the side, and it's already got a push start after market setup. I just didn't do it, came like that. Then pull them out through the side, wired some in. This one went into the hot, and how is the paint on? No, oh well. Then I took the yellow one goes to hot all the time. Red one is power, and orange, those ones just go into the ignition switch. Black goes to ground. Then under here, if I can find it, there is a green one. Okay, where is that green one? Uh-oh, there is a green one. Fuck. Here it is. Green one is here. I got going into a black wire going up to the front into the engine bay. It's kind of going under there. This also has used to be an automatic, but someone put manual transmission in it. So far what I've done to this car is I've changed brake calipers, rotors, pads, and spark plugs, wires, coils. Yeah. So we ain't ready to take this out. So just gonna put that shit under there. Good enough. Alright, now I'm trying to pull this out. Ooh. Blue coolant. That's all Mazdas should have. There we go. Guess it's Make a Mess Sunday today. Alright, now I gotta get this set off. How am I gonna even cut this? Alright. You gotta be very careful with this stuff. Also, radio's barely even in there. You know what? You're just gonna stay in there. I'm gonna cut it in 3, 2. Alright, so I got it in, and now I'm just getting the air out of the system, making sure it's full, and it seems to be doing pretty good. Just put a little bit of my blue Asian in there, got from O'Reilly's, and I might want to open the garage. That would be a great idea. Yep, no leaks. Oh yeah, it's low seeing 300 degrees. It might be running a little hot. Nah, I'm just messing. It's not even plugged in yet. Woo. Yeah. I'm on a motorcycle. Yeah. So far on this, I've just had this headlight, turn signals, and yeah. Going to let that keep on warming up. And just like that, guys, it is all done. Got it grounded right here, power going all the way in. So let's go ahead and turn this light off. See what happens. Alright, it's cold, so we're gonna go ahead and warm it up and see what happens. Well, there we go, guys. A working temp gauge in my 92 with a 90 engine Miata. Now, that is not finished. I'm going to get a thing that should be coming in for that to help hold it sit just like one of those. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.